Charlie Chipmunk's Thoughtful Choices. Charlie Chipmunk Thoughtful Choices, illustrated by Amy Noble of Frogstreet Press Inc. Meet Charlie Chipmunk and his friends. Every day they practice making thoughtful choices. On Sunday, Charlie plays on the slide. Will Charlie choose to stand up and wave to his friends? Or will he choose to sit down and slide? Which is a safer choice? On Monday, Charlie and his friend want a snack. Will they choose to stand on the chair and try to reach the nuts? Or will they choose to try to get some help? Which one is a wiser choice? On Tuesday, Charlie and Richard wanted to watch television. They wanted to change the channel. Charlie's sister is watching. Or will they wait their turn? Which is a kinder choice? On Wednesday, Charlie sees a new dog behind the fence. Will he pet the new dog or will he wait to meet the dog's owner? Which is safer? Which is a safer choice? On Thursday, Charlie and his friend share a snack. Will they have a contest to see how many snacks they can stuff in their cheeks, or will they nibble one snack at a time? Which is a smarter choice? On Friday, Charlie and his friends eat lunch at school. Chip left his sandwich at home. Will Charlie and his friends share their lunch, or will they ignore Chip? Which is a kinder choice? On Saturday, Charlie goes to bed after a busy day. He thinks about the choices he has made all week long. He made safe choices, wise choices, and kind choices. He is happy with his choices. Think about the choices you made on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You can make thoughtful choices all week long. The end.